Looks like nothing is starting. Hi everyone, it's Monday morning for me, and yesterday I had a call from my client saying that his condenser fan motor is not moving. Let's go find out what's happening. That was quite a storm when I was driving here, but yeah, the rain is almost over, so let's check it out. So I went inside and turned on the AC, and let's see that fan. Oh, I can hear that noise. Looks like nothing is starting. Oh, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna show you this. It is a gap 100%. As always, brushing before doing any work. I like when everything is nice and clean before we touch any wiring. I'm gonna discharge it. So we got perm, fan, and 2-wire going to common, which we are going to disconnect. I'm using needle nose to remove any wiring off the terminals. Alright. Got my new capacitor. The problem is, again, we have a strap which is much wider to hold this, so I gotta do something to make it hold the cap tight. So what I normally do is I will bend this, I will drill another hole, and I'll cut the rest of the metal just so it's gonna hold my new cap. Alright, so I'm getting those wires connected back to the terminals. My 2 common terminals. This is my perm and my fan. Everything's back. I also like to check the contactor just to make sure the coil is good on it. So It's live on 24 volts. I don't want to touch to ground, and I'm gonna get my multimeter. So yeah, we are good on the contactor side. It's got a good resistance. Let's place it back. So I'm ready to start the unit, but before I do that, I'm going to connect the Desto probes so I can get some readings on the refrigerant. Pretty sure it's gonna start. So I've been to this client doing maintenance for these both units. I think he didn't want to replace the capacitor at that time. I know I've checked the filter. It was probably a month ago or a month and a half ago. He has a media filter, so I know that is good because that was replaced. And yeah, let's see. Back then we were good on refrigerant, so let's see what's going on. Alright, so I'm starting the condenser. Let's close our disconnect and let's see the test app. Let's wait a few minutes, but these are the pressures as I just started the unit. Another thing I noticed also, look at this low voltage wire. The guy who cuts the grass here just damaged the wire so bad, so I'm gonna change a piece of it. Alright, so let's get to it. I do have my D-wall box here and a piece of wire. I keep all of the screws, Schrader valves, concrete screws, wire nuts, some electrical stuff. These are 3/8 plugs. When I do the static pressure, I do drill a hole and these plug back nicely. I got those from actually TruTech Tools. Yeah, that's where I got those from. Deburring blades, gaskets, some clamps. Yeah, keep it all in one box. It's about to start raining again. I gotta rush a little, so let's change that. I figured I'd just run a new wire all the way inside rather than just connecting a short piece in it here. I don't like to see too many connections. Actually, let's take this out. I gotta open the again. Do not forget the power, guys. Yep, it's off. Just do like this. So preparing new connections for the wiring. Yeah, damn, it actually starts raining again. Okay. Let's get new wire. Going to connect it to this one first. Okay. I'm gonna use existing zip ties here on the side. I'm just gonna add some extra so it's not bouncing around, and when the guy cut the grass here. It's not, you know, it's not hanging loose, so it damages again. Oh, it doesn't have the actual hole in here, so I have to use that hole and come out of there to get inside the electrical. It's not sharp, as you can see, so I'll be fine without gaskets. Okay, we are done here. Okay. More power. Alright, so the unit is turned back on. It's my new wire connection. Yeah. So that's it, guys, for this one. Please subscribe to the channel, hit a like button if you liked the video, and until the next job, see you later.